Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing escovitch fish. This is one of my favorite fish. I love escovitch fish. First I wash my fish, I clean it up and everything. And then I season it with my black pepper, my salt and all the nice little seasonings. I make my Dutch pot really hot and then I put in my oil. I then put my fish in, make my fish fry on each side for about 5 minutes. Nice and brown. Frying now. Then I'm gonna flip it. I have all my seasoning, my chopped seasoning, like you will see my pepper, scotch bonnet, sweet pepper, onions. I turn my fish over now, you see? Nice and brown. There you go, my fish is all done. I remove it from the Dutch pot. And I have my julienne carrots. I'm going to be cooking that in boiling water for about 5 minutes. Just make it nice and crunchy because I'm going to use it back on the fish. So all my chopped ingredients. Now I'm going to put back everything in my pot. See, I put in my oil nice, make it nice and hot. Then I put in all the chopped ingredients. There you go. So now it's gonna be cooking for about 5 minutes. And then I turn it up, stir it up, and make it nice. And then I'm gonna be adding some vinegar. Make that cook for a couple of minutes, the vinegar in it. I stir it up. Once you follow my recipe, you can't go wrong. Just look at what I'm doing and just do the same thing, you get it. That's the vinegar. I was going to be adding. And now I'm going to stir it up again. This escovitch fish, you can eat with anything at all, in a bread, rice and peas, white rice, whatever. It is so good. See? It's steaming now. Then I'm going to put it back on the fish. See it on the fish how pretty it is? Now it's all done. Look at it, so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.